A crucial bill on the appointment of judges was passed in the Lok Sabha with a thumping majority, and now the bill to scrap the collegium system in judges' appointment will be introduced in the lower house of parliament. So will this bill pass the Rajya Sabha floor test?
The bill as amended is passed by the requisite majority in accordance with the provisions of Article 368 of the Constitution.
With that, the Lok Sabha passed the Judicial Appointments Bill. With 367 votes in favour of the amendments, government passed the Lok Sabha litmus test, completing an oath that the judiciary is unhappy about.
It is a collective exercise in existence for the last 20 years, which was saying, please change the collegium system.
With the passage of the bill, government is a step closer to scrapping the collegium system to appoint judges. But Law Minister assuring the House that the independence of the judiciary will not be compromised with. Even the Congress not opposing the Modi government, passing the landmark bill in the lower house.
No amendments, because our concerns have been addressed. Now the Law Minister was kind enough to concede to one of our suggestions.
But the government could face a hurdle, with sources telling your channel that Congress may oppose the amendments in the upper house.
जुडिशियल अपॉइंटमेंट कमीशन बिल उन्होंने पास किया, कांग्रेस ने इसका समर्थन किया, क्योंकि जिन दो क्लॉजेस पे कांग्रेस को आपत्ति थी, एक वीटो वाले क्लॉज को, एक दूसरा यूनानिमिटी वाले क्लॉज को, दोनों क्लॉजेस को उन्होंने वापस ले लिया सरकारी संशोधन के जरिए, तो कांग्रेस को बिल पे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है.
They passed the Lok Sabha test effortlessly, but with the numbers stacked against them, will the Modi government manage to overcome the Rajya Sabha hurdle? Bureau Report, Times Now.